Just as with literacy, our mathematical abilities are called upon in many ways throughout our day, whether in school, at work, at home, and while navigating time and space between each activity. When math isn't a difficulty for us, its prevalence is less noticeable. However, when you are faced with math difficulties, you are challenged frequently throughout your day, and this can take a toll on education, employment, and life outcomes. Challenges in math may be reflected in these ways within the classroom: grasping number concepts, value relationships, patterns, operations, making frequent errors in mathematical calculations, understanding spatial relationships, visualizing shapes or symmetry and angles, comprehending math problems and determining the next step to solve them, processing speed and understanding math-related information, managing time, applying a knowledge across math strands. All jobs draw on some aspect of mathematical abilities, even as simple as getting to work on time, taking the right lengths of breaks, and ensuring a paycheck that was accurately calculated. Though most jobs require much more than those few abilities, including interpreting and analyzing numerical data, managing budgets and expenses, handling money, time management, application, problem solving, quality control, and logistics. As we mentioned earlier, math is everywhere, and our abilities to compute are challenged frequently.
Math challenges in life, will it include using money, budgeting, and finance, following recipes to cook and bake, following assembly instructions, like IKEA furniture, navigating transportation routes, managing schedules, time management, playing games and keeping scores, determining quantities. Now at Arrowsmith, our goal is to assist our students in acquiring the capacity to succeed. Our focus is not on accommodations or lowering expectations. Our goal is to strengthen the capacity of the areas in the brain that are essential to understanding and applying mathematical learning. So thinking, planning, and problem solving, if you will. Our goal is to strengthen the mathematical skills of our students, children and adults alike, so that they are able to be comfortably present in math class, or when faced with a mathematical problem in everyday life, they'll be able to be successful.